Welcome back, everybody. We're bringing the ball today again to give you a little bit of a taste of how to treat your back. Oftentimes, we feel stiff or sore in the back. My back's hurting. It does happen. It's not funny, right? So I want to bring the ball back to show you how to use it in a very simple, easy, and also very relaxing way. So let's get our ball. Let's get a place on the floor. I have a yoga mat here, so I'm going to lay down on it to show you how I do that. And then you can, as you know, you can lay down on your couch, preferably on the floor. Get yourself some blankets. Make sure you're safe, comfortable. Make sure you know how to get up properly so you don't hurt yourself, right? So let's get started. So as always, we're going to take a deep breath. And we're going to start sitting, okay? So just to kind of get connected to our lower back, but also to our pelvis, the hips, all around it. So take a few deep breaths again. As you breathe out, allow the energy to come down. Come down from your head, down into the spine, down into the hips, and imagine that energy traveling down from your hips and pelvis through the tailbone down into the earth. So let's take another deep breath. And again, energy grounding you into the earth. And let yourself roll on your sits bones a little bit. You can do it on the chair, you can do it on the floor. So I'm just rolling to connect my sits bones to the ground. I want to have a really good, firm connection with my pelvis to start this practice. It's very important. Remember, we're not just learning techniques. There's many techniques you can learn, but just knowing a technique without getting into your body and learning the body language is not going to be that effective. So again, let's grab the ball, and if you feel connected, so take another deep breath again. Once you feel connected, really feeling your energy, your breath in your sits bones, in your pelvis, when you feel that connection to the ground, you're gonna use the ball and place it on your sacrum. So I'm going to get up here and show you. The sacrum is right on the back. So it's your backbone here. When you use your hands, you can probably feel that firmness of the bone. So the ball is going to go right in the middle. And I'm going to slowly let myself roll on it. Okay, it may take a little bit of adjustment. So be patient with yourself. The ball may run away and escape you. It's fine. It's a part of the practice to get ourselves used to using those tools. So I'm just kind of sitting on it a little bit and trying to start to lay down, and then let me focus the camera here. Okay. Whew, okay, I just rolled off it. So it can be a bit of a challenge to kind of stay on it to start with, but don't get discouraged. And it may help to start with just sort of moving your legs. See, I have to move down a little bit because I'm losing my connection. So this is just the beginning of really getting connected and trying to feel that pressure on your sacrum, on your backbone. Okay. So it may help if you're kind of falling off the ball, it may help to bend one of your knees and just let yourself be supported by that leg. And maybe you can switch. feel? Which way do you feel more supported? Which way do you feel like you can actually start to connect deeper into your pelvis, connect into your body, so you don't get too distracted by rolling off the ball? Whew. See, I'm now making a little gentle movements around on my ball, and I think I'm ready to actually let my legs go. I feel more stable. Okay, very good. So just allowing my pelvis to make those micro movements to get settled. And taking another deep breath. Exhaling through your mouth, imagining that air and energy going into your sacrum, then into the ball, leaving your body, going into the ground. And allowing everything that gets stirred up to slowly start to seep out of your body, seep out through your skin into the ground, allowing yourself to make it feel good. And I'm actually feeling quite a lot of tension and a bit of soreness in my back, and also like right here in the front of my pelvis. So I'm paying attention now to how does this ball connect not just to my sacrum, not just to that pressure point, but to the entire pelvis. And you see, I'm using my hands to actually place them gently with no force, no pressure, just gentle connection. I put them gently onto my hip bones and just allowing everything to settle. My body's taking a minute to settle. My back's been sore. I guess this is why I'm making this video for you guys. Oops. And just allowing myself to keep on softening. Good. Deep breaths, not thinking, but connecting with the body, using my hands, using your powerful hands to keep you settled and present in your body. Deep breaths. Imagine that space between your hips, that bowl of the pelvis. Scan it with your mind's eye. Scan, what color is it? Is it firm and hard and tight? Is it soft? Are there maybe some strings of tension going through it? Do you feel a bit of discomfort and soreness, maybe some nerve action? Everybody's different. Every day will be different. So what I want you to do as you're treating yourself with those tools on the ball and all the other tools that we use, I want you to really make it priority to ask yourself those questions. What am I feeling? How am I responding to this pressure? Does my body feel safe in this position? Can I help it feel safer? All those questions are more important than the right technique, remember. And it may take you a while to figure it out. How am I going to make myself comfortable here with this pressure? It's okay. It's a learning curve. It's a learning process. So keep on breathing. Feeling, connecting through your hands, through that pressure into the bowl of your pelvis. Noticing how your back is a part of the pelvis, how it is connected to the front and to the sides. Good. And another deep breath. allowing everything to seep out into the earth. And so I will encourage you to stay on this for 5 minutes, the minimum. You can stay longer. So remember, when you get to do this practice on your own, please set up your alarm, set up your phone, and make sure that you stay on it for long enough. And just to show you, when you're ready to get off the ball, we can just bend one knee, slowly roll off, and you may feel stiff, even sore. It's okay. It's okay to feel sore after your treatment. So, and then I'm just slowly rolling on my side, just to be gentle and really, here, you can't even see my face. Here, and then slowly getting up. Here we go. Got all discombobulated. It's all good. Yes, wonderful. Well, it was enjoyable for me to get in touch with my back a little bit. And please send out questions. Keep on working on this practice. Make good habits. Remember, every day we can treat ourselves. It does not cost anything and it doesn't take a long time. Have a beautiful day and we'll talk with you tomorrow. Bye-bye.